From the moment you lay eyes on the Titano, its bold design and commanding presence make a lasting impression. With its muscular stance and distinctive grille, this midsize pickup exudes confidence and capability, ready to tackle any terrain with ease. But what truly sets the 2024 Fiat Titano apart are the Mopar accessories that allow you to customize your ride to suit your lifestyle. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a weekend warrior, or simply someone who appreciates the finer details, Mopar has you covered with a wide range of accessories designed specifically for the Titano.